Yo, welcome to another video, and today we're gonna be watching YouTube shorts and all about mukbangs. Let's get into it. What is she saying, bro? Well, just look at this food. How crazy is this, bro? It doesn't actually look like something that I would love to eat, bro.
上次今天供你们上了一个大热门，这一次的话你们再送我3个热门好不好？感谢你们啊！
老冷了。
Yo, what?
鼓励的双击吧。
She got a red lip and she's eating some red, bro. You got a red lip and you eating something red. What a weird combination, bro. What is this? Where did it should dip dive into, bro? What is she eating? What is she eating, guys? If you actually know what she's eating, write in the comment section, guys. If you actually know what she's eating, write in the comment section. If you know what she's eating, write in the comment section. I'm just sitting here looking at her eating something that I don't know. Wait. Let's see what does the comment actually say. What does the comment say? What does the comment say? Let's see. Not a single mukbang video from China without a filter that makes a ball move. Wait, did the ball a head right? Not a girl at 8 in the back with me. My friend, can I have a bite? Me, sure, my friend. What? Okay, but the fact that her shirt is clean is talent. Wait, I didn't really observe that, bro. And this was 1 year ago. That video made a good foot wiggle and it scared the shit out of me. Is it I don't know. Oh, this straight way making me hungry, bro. This straight way making me hungry. This straight way making me hungry. Somebody's hungry right here. Somebody's hungry right here. Somebody's actually hungry. Wow. How satisfying that is, bro. Wait, outside spine. Let's look at another one. Wait, what is that? What does it say, bro? What is she eating? What would the comment say? ASMR is supposed to be calming and satisfying, but this is the complete opposite of that. Instead of making fun, we should tell her that she needs to eat in the proper way. Homemade. Background to make cow. I don't really understand. Pie is okay. Who love eating noodles with him? Like that shit is hard, bro. How can you eat noodles with him? That thing is too hard. What is this? I can't watch. Wait, how would that actually attract you to leave your food? I gotta finish my food before I leave it for any other thing, bro. I gotta finish my food before I leave it for any other thing. That was crazy. Is the sound not too much? That was good. That is unhealthy. That is unhealthy, bro. How long was this? From the comment, I'm gonna know. 12 days ago. 5 days ago. Not alone, bro. How is the other person sitting next to her supposed to actually tell her not to do that, bro? Not to do that because that is unhealthy. This actually unhealthy eating habit, bro. There's no mukbang again, bro. Mukbang is supposed to be satisfying, not eating too much. I'm crying for her. I'm crying for her. She actually lost it. She 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 lost it. That was crazy, guys. Wait, one thing I noticed about all these mukbangs, they're eating too much, bro. There's actually an healthy way of taking all these stuffs. There's actually an healthy way. Like, take some things like eat, let it feel good, but don't eat too much. But mukbangs are going crazy, bro. So I'm gonna watch somebody eat like this, and I'm still the one crying for the person. There's nobody in the comment section that actually tells us not to be eating that way. Nobody in the comment section actually satisfying sound. How? Yummy food. That's literally the most delicious looking meal. Why somebody should tell her that she's killing herself, bro? Somebody ought to tell all these mukbang guys not to be eating too much. And she's a lady, for God's sake. Not gonna watch you again. Let's go to another thing. Yeah, this is better. This is better. This is better. I love this one. But is that not too hot? But is that not too hot? Wait, these people got like a deep freezer in their mouth, bro. They got a deep freezer, like a cooling room. They got a cooling room in the mouth.
I feel like last time I went with this.
So it's not one that left, left. That's crazy. Left, light.
Oh, yes.
So I know the reason girls love fixing their nails. So this is the reason. This is the reason girls love fixing their nails, bro. No! I'm not watching that. How did she not know that? But how did she not know that? How did she not know that? I love the sound. Y'all understand what I'm saying, bro?
Yo, do this right. I put my hand up on your hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. You put your hand up on my hip.
Always just look satisfying, bro.
My hand up on your hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. You put your
Hungry vegan.
then we can dip down low and roll and grind.
Well, alright, alright.
Yo, do this right. I put my hand.
Okay guys, this is the biggest pizza in Singapore. 32 inch, a little more than 32 inch. Woo! A little bit beyond my comfortable weight. This is a little over 6 kilos of food. This is one slice. Look at the size of one share actually. Yeah, whatever, I just go. Damn thick. This one not thin crust.
You're gonna see somebody very slim like this, but he's eating like half of his weight. It's literally eating half of his weight, bro. So let's finish it.
Wow, how is it short workout?
Let's gotta finish this pizza.
Wow, yeah, this one's short.
How can somebody like God? Wait, is there nobody in the comment section that is gonna tell him what is this? At least it's not fake. Somebody should tell him. Somebody should tell him that this is not good, bro. You're telling him Max you can do. That's an encouragement, bro. He started during the day and ended in the night. Maybe I thought he ate like continuously. Maybe actually gave some gap, but it's really unhealthy. He looked defeated by the time he made it to the last slice. This really looks unhealthy, bro. Really looks unhealthy. So hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to this channel. So see you in the next video. Shout out, guys. Woo!